Space is vast. It's easy to think that Earth is a tiny target in all that emptiness. But asteroids, big and small, hurtle through space all the time. And sometimes their path intersects with Earth's. We've seen the evidence. Craters on Earth and the Moon tell a story of cosmic collisions. These impacts can be devastating. A large enough asteroid impact could cause widespread destruction. Tsunamis could engulf coastlines. Dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere could block out the sun, leading to a global cooling effect. Life as we know it could be at risk. But here's the good news, we're not defenseless. Scientists and engineers around the world are working hard to develop ways to protect our planet from these cosmic threats. We're getting better at detecting and tracking asteroids, and we're developing technologies to deflect them, should we need to. It's a global challenge that requires international cooperation and a commitment to scientific advancement. We need to stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. The future of our planet might depend on it. Movies make it look so simple. Launch a nuke, blow the asteroid to smithereens, problem solved. But reality is far more complex. Blowing up an asteroid with a nuclear weapon isn't the best solution. In fact, it might create more problems than it solves. For starters, there's the issue of gravity. Asteroids, even fragmented ones, have their own gravitational pull. Blowing up an asteroid might create a bunch of smaller pieces, but their combined gravity could pull them back together. Instead of one large asteroid, we might end up with a cluster of smaller ones, still on a collision course with Earth. Then there's the unpredictability of it all. How an asteroid breaks apart depends on its composition, size, and the force of the explosion. We might end up with debris scattered in unpredictable directions, some of it still posing a threat to Earth. So, while a dramatic explosion might make for a good movie, it's not the most practical or effective way to deal with a real-life asteroid threat. In the world of planetary defense, the DART mission stands as a beacon of hope and innovation. This ambitious endeavor, spearheaded by NASA, marked humanity's first successful attempt at altering the trajectory of a celestial object. The target? Dimorphos, a small moonlet orbiting the larger asteroid Didymos. The mission was elegantly simple in concept. Crash a spacecraft into Dimorphos and measure the change in its orbit. The impact, while not intended to destroy Dimorphos, would ever so slightly nudge it off course. And that's precisely what happened. The DART spacecraft, a testament to human ingenuity, collided with Dimorphos at a staggering speed of 14,000 miles per hour. The impact, witnessed by telescopes around the world, shortened Dimorphos's orbit around Didymos by a significant margin. This successful demonstration of kinetic impact technology has opened up a new chapter in planetary defense. It has shown that we have the capability to deflect asteroids, albeit small ones for now. DART's legacy will continue to inspire future generations of scientists and engineers as they work to safeguard our planet from cosmic threats. China, a rising power in space exploration, is not shying away from the challenge of planetary defense. In fact, they're stepping up to the plate with a bold plan of their own. Following in the footsteps of the successful DART mission, China is preparing to conduct its own asteroid redirection test. Their target, asteroid 2015 XF-261, a space rock on a potential collision course with Earth in the coming decades. The mission, slated for launch in 2027, will involve sending a spacecraft to impact 2015 XF-261, much like the DART mission. But China's ambitions don't end there. They're actively recruiting a planetary defense force, a team of talented individuals dedicated to protecting Earth from asteroid threats. This elite group of scientists, engineers, and strategists will be responsible for developing and deploying advanced technologies to detect, track, and deflect asteroids. China's commitment to planetary defense is commendable. It underscores the global nature of this challenge and the need for international cooperation. By sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise, we can collectively work towards a safer future for all humankind.